Hello sweetie, welcome back. Today I share with you how to make Nigeria akara using beans flour. Here is the beans flour I will be using for this recipe. I will be making use of 3 cups of beans flour, and this beans flour comes from Odogwu Foods. Don't forget to get yours. After adding everything, I will get that stream. Do this if you are using beans flour in case you have any stone like this, which is not going to be needed, so keep that aside. After doing everything, I will turn it back to the mixing bowl. What I add next is water. So this is just normal water. Then I will be using 1 jug, but I will not add the water at once. I will be adding the water bit by bit. The more I mix, the more I add in the water. So don't add everything at once. So you mix and you'll be adding as you go. Odogwu Food is a platform where you can buy everything you need to make food. So this time around, you don't need to be asking and thinking, where am I going to wash beans, how to wash beans, and how to soak beans before you can eat your moi or eat your akara. You can easily eat this when you get your Odogwu Food beans powder. You can eat your akara once and for all. So now I'm done mixing and keep that aside. What I add now is hot pepper, onions, and salt. So what I do is to get that dash like this, and after that I will add in the salt inside the beans, then give that stir together. So guys, this is the only ingredient you need to add in your beans. You only need salt, onions, and hot pepper. So don't add any other ingredient making your akara. So after doing that, I will add in the hot pepper and the onions and get that stir together. After mixing everything, it look like this. So at this point, it's ready to fry. By now I have hot oil in the heat. Then I'll be adding the beans inside the oil like this. So I add everything. I get that fried twice actually. Then this one is the first batch. I will just fry that, then turn the other side to get fried. Just like this first batch has been fried and it fries so nice. I will bring that out from the hot oil. If you haven't shared the video, what are you waiting for? Give it a share, and this is just the best way to make your Nigeria akara. Anywhere you are going to eat your Nigeria akara. Nothing to miss. Everything is useful. So now this one is the second batch. I just finished frying that. Then I will add it back inside the first one, and everything is here after frying. Oh my god, it fries so nice, and I just love the outcome. So what I do now is to show you guys how fried this look at that. Wow, it fries so nice. And over here is custard. I will be enjoying this akara with custard. So if you know Nigeria akara, you know, so we chop am with something custard like this, so then it's going to go well. So now I will be adding some milk, sugar, and fresh milk, and get that mixed together. And after that, I get this enjoy for breakfast. Everyone enjoy this, guys. Share this video and try this out. Get yours in Odogwu Food. I love you. Bye.